In Kennebunk, the number of whooping cough cases are adding up. A sixth case has been reported this week, and parents are once again on alert. WMTW News 8's Lindsay Lippman joins us now live at the studio with more on how to protect your family. Lindsay.
Well, Steve, the superintendent sent out this email to parents letting them know what's being done at school to help keep their child healthy, but prevention also starts at home.
We don't want to raise concern about issues that aren't significant or that may not be significant. We don't want to create hysteria, but it is important to share when there are situations where there's a contagious disease that we want folks to be aware of.
School officials are reminding parents to vaccinate their children and themselves against pertussis, also known as whooping cough. This week, a student at middle school of the Kennebunks contracted the disease, making it the sixth case district-wide and the fourth at this school alone. Each confirmed case means a mandatory 5 days away from school to help stop the spread.
We just always take it upon ourselves to notify parents that this is out there, and here are some symptoms to look for, and here are some steps to take to make sure that your child is protected.
According to the CDC, children should get 5 doses. But once they reach middle school age, the vaccine can wear off, and a booster shot between 11 and 18 years old is recommended.
It's pretty contagious. It's spread through droplets sprayed out of your mouth when you cough.
Dr. Timothy Hawkins saw a spike in patients with pertussis 2 months ago. He says washing your hands using hand sanitizer and coughing or sneezing into your arm instead of your hand can curb spreading it to others.
It starts like a cold. It's really a bacterial infection, so we can actually kill it with antibiotics if we start them soon enough.
If it isn't caught, the disease can lead to pneumonia, seizures, brain damage, and even death. Dr. Hawkins and school officials say the key to prevention is vaccination for everyone.
It's always around. It's a very common germ in the adult population, so we are not going to get rid of this germ.
And just today, the CDC tweeted that about 30 to 40% of babies who get whooping cough catch it from their own mother. Coming up tonight at 6 o'clock, we'll take a look at those statewide numbers and who is most at risk here in Maine. Live in the studio, Lindsay Lippman, WMTW News 8.